It's open house week up in Indiana, and we stopped at the ATC plant to check out a few of the new features and options that are going to happen. We're here with Dale from ATC. So Dale, would you show us around and kind of let us check out what the new features are?
Yeah, absolutely. This is one of our new bumper pull models. We wanted to come out with a 29-foot version that would have a bedroom and fit the big Can-Am 4-seater. It'll fit a 2-door Jeep, it'll fit some small cars, and still have a bedroom in the front. So let's hop inside and we'll show you some cool stuff. Before we get there, we've added a friction hinge door. Before we had a different latches and trying to figure out. So it's so nice, you don't have to worry about the wind grabbing it, taking it. We have an optional electric step now. Our standard would be the fold-out steps. Electric step now. This model comes with 6,000-pound axles, so you really can't overload this thing. All of our 28-foot and above bumper pulls will have bigger axles now, a lot more capacity. So we'll show you kind of inside here.
Dale, I noticed that y'all are putting the exterior speakers underneath now. That's really cool. It's one less obstruction from the outside wall.
Yeah,
it still puts that sound out here.
Yep, it comes with an amplifier now when you get the sound system.
Great.
And it allows us to have a much cleaner wall and look on the inside as well.
Beautiful. Dale, one of the things that I really like about this new model is the way this furniture reconfigures. Why don't you tell everybody about that?
Yeah, this is something we've had so many people get paralyzed on. Where do I want to put my sofas or my couches or my table? So we want to come out with a system that makes it modular. You don't know if maybe you're going to get different toys in a few years from now, or you want to get the one that's right there on the lot where the dealer can actually set it up the way you want it right there on their lot. So we've come out with a removable track system for our furniture. The table will actually unbolt from the wall with this airline track system. The sofas, you can take them out, move them to the other side of the trailer, take them out completely if you want to put some toy that didn't fit in, but it allows this whole space to become very modular and configurable to kind of whatever toy it is you got to have.
So that really hits that changeability of the 5Cs with ATC, where we
Yeah.
can really reconfigure what's going on here and just adjust things by mere inches if need be.
Yeah, absolutely. If you've got a different vehicle or just different kids coming along, whatever, you want to make it so more people can sleep or whatever. So we really want to give you control over how to kind of create your own environment that you want for whatever weekend you're doing.
It's fantastic, love it. And again, this is the new 29-foot front bedroom model. We'll have some more features and photos to follow this. Thanks for checking it out. Dale, thanks so much for your time.
Yeah,
appreciate it. We'll see y'all soon.
All right.
While we were at ATC, we had a chance to tour the factory and see firsthand the quality craftsmanship that goes into building these toy haulers. From the fully welded aluminum frame and superstructure to the block foam insulation and aluminum sidewalls, these trailers are built to last. Come on down to Southern RV to see the ATC in person today.